All right, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, depending on whatever time you're watching this. Now, welcome back to the ICT Technocrats. I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading videos lately. It's just that I've been very busy the past 3 months. I've been busy researching, I've been busy with other stuff, but now I'm back and I'll be uploading now more than ever. So now I just wanted to tell you guys a bit about AI. Now, in this video, this is actually my first coding video, and in this video I'm going to be building a website using AI. Now, I was a bit hesitant on doing this because, to be honest with you, previously I wasn't really a big fan of AI because of like the whole replacing software developers thing. But then I kind of came to realize that like it's either you learn how to use it or you get replaced by it. There's really no in between quantum state between this. So like right now I'm really encouraging everyone to just start using AI and learn from it. I'm not saying you should completely do away with learning how to code. Coding is still a very powerful tool, but like I just encourage you guys to learn how to use AI. So now I'll be building a website using this AI called Durable. It's called Durable AI. So now Durable AI is basically used for like building websites for businesses. So now let me just build a website for the ICT Technocrats using Durable. Now the thing is, how good you are in tech really matters, like how good your coding skills are. But at the end of the day, this is business, and businesses want workers or programmers or software developers who are efficient and fast and also able to get the job done on the deadline. And AI is a tool that can really help you do a lot in the tech industry. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying do away with coding. I'm just saying learn to use AI while learning how to code, because coding is still a very powerful tool. It helps with your problem solving skills and whatever, and also your critical thinking skills. So learn how to code. So now I'll be building a website for the ICT Technocrats, my same YouTube channel. So let me just type down what the ICT Technocrats is about and what we do, and then once I click enter, boom, it's done. Like it's done. Like in less than, it depends on your internet speed, but like in less than a few seconds, this is the website. So of course, if I added more detail, it would have been like it would have been more like personalized. But this is really how fast you can do this. And then as much as it is helpful, it's also, I can see why it's also a bit scary to some web developers and software developers out there because of how like fast and efficient it is. So let's try another one. Let's create a website that gives you upcoming movies, or a website that gives you information on the upcoming movies. So now let me just create that, and then it loads for a bit depending on your internet speed, and then boom, it's done. So fresh films, so it tells me, so it's going to basically tell me or the films that will be coming out in Lusaka, my city, this week. So now I wish I could add like the like actual movies and stuff, but I know I have to like spend a bit more time writing and stuff. But this was just to give you a basic overview of what AI and websites can do. Obviously on this channel mostly focuses on hacking, so obviously I'll teach you how to actually hack and do stuff using AI, of course with permission. But yeah, this was just a short video I wanted to make since I haven't uploaded a video in almost 3 months now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, please subscribe. I'll be as consistent as possible when it comes to posting these days. I will not let you down. I will try my best not let you down. But again, I will also encourage you guys to also learn how to start using different AI tools like Cloud AI, ChatGPT, and everything else. Thank you very much. Jobless.